Hello, friends. You are welcome back to Rema Healthy Way. It's been a while. I shared a salad recipe with you guys. So, a quick reminder, okay? Anyone interested in my membership can just click on join, and then you know that March is anticipated. So don't be left out. You'll be happy you did. So if you are a growing channel and if you want to grow, if you want to, you can join my membership team, then we grow together. So thank you very much, guys. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. And then don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I want to know you visited, okay? And know that you are much appreciated. God richly bless you. And to all my return subscribers, you have really been lovable. God richly bless you. So today in my on my table is a very simple salad recipe for lunch. 5 minutes. Okay, it doesn't take too much of your time to make this. So if you are thinking about what to take at lunch, you can just go ahead and grab your ingredients, and then within 5 minutes your salad is ready. And this is going to replace your meal for a long time, for about 6 hours to 7 hours, and you are cool with that. So guys, to begin with, I would just like you to know the ingredients that is going into this salad. So on my table, I have beetroot, tomatoes, radishes, cucumber. I have iceberg lettuce and green olives. I'm also using red onions. So guys, as I usually do, I would like to explain into the ingredients that I'm using, one or two. So far as I'm concerned, all these ingredients have been used on my videos, and a lot of information has already been given. So I am not going to talk much about these ingredients. I am just going to brood over it. Okay, then we done. We done. That's my iceberg lettuce, and it's already ready. It's already ready. That's my beetroot and my radishes. And so guys, do you know something about radishes? I really love it. Some people don't like it. So if you are one of those people who don't like radishes, you can do away with that. Okay, and you can replace it with any other vegetable that you think you like, that tastes good in your mouth. Or you can just, but I will encourage you that if you don't like radishes, you like them. Okay, it may not taste the way you want it to taste, but who is talking about taste? Come on, it's good. To me, it's okay, it's normal, it's perfect. So I don't know about you. Okay, so guys, radishes is very, or it's high in potassium and helps generate collagen. Okay, and this helps your to generate, or it helps you to, it helps the red blood cells to be protected on, to avoid any damages on your red blood cells. Simple put, that's what I want to say. Okay, so talk about cucumber. It keeps us hydrated. I love them. Be it like when I'm using it for juicing, or for juicing, or for salad. I can even just chew it like that. I love them. So it also has low blood sugar levels. It helps low blood sugar levels and keeps you hydrated, as I said. And as I already have said, I have a lot of information on those ingredients on other videos, and so that's why I'm not doing much on this. Okay, and talking about iceberg lettuce, it's crunchy and I love them. It's a pale vegetable and mostly used for salad. And then it's if it's a fast food, just grab it. It's very healthy, and it has vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin A. It also has folate, potassium, and calcium. All right, so that's my tomatoes over there. And also to talk about beetroot. It's okay, guys. So note that all these ingredients have been washed already. Because of time, I did not show that part. It has been washed in salt water. That's how I love it, because it's very, very effective. And so I have white vinegar at home all the time, but I don't use white vinegar all the time. I prefer salt, sea salt solution, and then I'm good to go. So with beetroot, you would have to wash it very well with your vegetable brush, and then you make sure that everything is clean. And to cut them, you just cut the edges, and then you use your beetroot. So it's as simple as that. And I want you to know that it is full of folate, it has iron. So if you have any anemic situation or anything, please don't forget to look for beetroot. It's good for high blood pressure because it lowers it, and it's also very good for diabetes, and it's a great source of fiber as well. So later on, I'll be talking much about beetroot, and so I'm just saying a bit on that. So guys, at this point, I'll just talk about my green olives. But before then, as I always do, whenever I'm using red onions for my salad, I keep them in cold water. And the reason being that it has a strong smell, and what you have to do is to keep them in cold water to take some of the smell away. Okay, it's not for any other reason. And know that it's very, very healthy, and it's important that you also keep them in water, so that after eating, nobody will just smell, you will not be smelling onions. Okay, so to know this, green olives are full of antioxidants, which helps us fight strange diseases and all those kind of stuffs, and it also helps improves our heart health. So at this point, our salad is almost done, and I have feta cheese on this recipe as well. So you just put your salt, your garlic powder, and your black pepper, and you are done. You don't need enough. And also your lemon juice. So at the end of the day, I used lemon zest as well, which is also healthy. So if you are looking for a meal replacement, this is one. It cleanses, it detoxifies by eliminating all unwanted toxins. It eliminates toxins out of your system, and it makes you feel so good. Okay, so if you're also looking forward to keep your weight, or to maintain your weight or lose weight, I recommend this salad for you. It's not, as I said, it's not only for weight loss or whatever. It's very healthy. And when you're eating this, don't think you are just eating lunch. No, it's going to detoxify you. It's also going to cleanse your system. Detoxify, to cleanse, yes. So it's good for your skin tone and all that. It makes you feel so good. Okay, so your lunch is ready, and this is what I came to share with you. So guys, I really appreciate you for coming. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video and to learn with me. You are appreciated, and I am humbled to have you here. I would be happy to see your comments. I'll be happy to know you came. And if you have not subscribed already, kindly do so. Remember, it's to stay free, stress-free. You eat well, you drink enough of water, avoid sugary foods if you are trying to lose weight, and then bye bye.